Today, Janessa, we are going to do this page on the back of your notes. I'm going to do the top line with you, and then you can do the rest. I'll do a couple others in there just to practice, but you can do the rest after that. The first one just says 4 to the third. We just type that in our calculator. 4 to the third, you come out with a 64. That's easy. This next one has a negative exponent in it. So I'm going to circle the part that's being bad. That's what has to go to the bottom, so it will be good, and we use a 1 as a placeholder. We kind of just flip it. It could also be 1 over 64. That's fine too. This one, it's got that 4 to the third at the bottom, so that one is just 1 over 64. This one has got this in it. So in order to make that -3 legal, we got to move it to the top, which would be 4 to the third, which would also be 64. All right, let's do a few more. Let's do this next one. So I'm going to make it a fraction. This is the part that's being negative, so it's got to go to the bottom, y8. And I have to use a placeholder up top, 1 over y8. This one, that's the negative, so it's got to move to the top. So y8, if you want to leave it over 1, you can, or just leave it. This one's a little different. I'm going to circle the bad part, C, -4. And I'm going to rewrite this, the 7, exactly where it is, but the C is going to come to the bottom to get rid of the negative. This one's similar but a little different. I'm going to circle. That's the part that has to move. So this 1/7 stays exactly where it is, but the C is going to go to the top and become positive. Let's look at this bottom one, or this one right here. This is what has to move. So 15K4 stays exactly where it is, and the M to the 5th goes to the bottom. I need you to do the rest of this page, filling in your answers. This very last one is a trick one, and the hint on it is that it's got this 0 right here, and what do we know about anything to the 0 power? So do those 7 problems. When you're done, I need you to get out your exponent review book. This is the exponent review book. This is what I need you to get out. I want you to open up to the first page, and we're going to start down at the bottom with the 0 exponent rule. We know the 0 exponent rule is anything with a 0 exponent always equals 1. It's just a rule. It always equals 1. So copy that rule down into your book. We also already know the negative exponent rule. So if I have x to the -9, I would circle him, and he would actually go down to the bottom. Or I could do it the other way. If I have 1 over x to the -9, circle him because he's the one that has to move, and that's going to go to the top, x to the 9 over 1. So copy those notes down on the first page. When you have that done, I need you to flip over quite a few pages and find number 37. The top of this page should say negative exponents. In the box at the top, I need you to write, move the number or letter with the negative exponent. After you have that written down, I need you to do 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. It's just 6 problems. Do all those and send it to me. Thank you.